Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to mute the microphone on LENOVO Yoga Book 9. The most convenient way is to do it with a keyboard, so you can either use your physical keyboard, of course, feel free to use it. You just need to have it attached with Bluetooth. It doesn't have to lay on the screen. This has to be connected with Bluetooth. You can also use the virtual keyboard, which you can open by pressing with 8 fingers on the bottom screen. And now, what you need to do is to click on this microphone mute switch. Now my microphone is muted. For a moment after muting it, it displays a little sign right here. So now it's unmuted and now it is muted. I can do the same with the physical keyboard, as I've said, and I think this is the best option that you can use. But you can also instead go to the settings. So let's open the settings, then go to, I think it was in the Bluetooth and devices, but I may need to search for it for a moment. I think in the devices I can go to sound, yes, and then go to the microphone array. And now I can click on don't allow. And there's a very big disclaimer that the method with the keyboard doesn't work interchangeably with the method from settings, which means that if you disable it in settings, you won't be able to enable it with the keyboard and otherwise. And these are all the things. I'm gonna allow it back again so I just don't forget where to find it in settings. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.